Welcome to the channel! I hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and follow the About Spiritual on the social media.
Angel number 444 meaning. Some of the greatest virtues are deeply associated with angel number 444. Some of those are health, intuition, confidence, honesty, and inner wisdom. This special number's significance lies in a higher purpose. Your angels through this number are sending you a message that they are always there for you and you can count on their guidance. Have in mind that whatever you do is the income of divine guidance. Angel number 444 meaning and significance. In case you're feeling insecure and need encouragement, angels will send you an angel number 444 since this number is considered as a number of winners. It's deeply related to hard-working and persistent people. When you encounter it, you should know that the universe is giving you wind in the back and giving you big applause for your efforts. When someone is giving his best in life and trying to be a better version of himself, divine forces see that and will always reward that type of person. Productivity and endurance cannot be unseen. Your angels will do everything to keep you on the right track. It's important to have in mind that the number 4 represents 4 elements: air, water, fire, and earth. That's why the energy that number 4 brings is so powerful and helpful in your way of achieving goals. The power of number 444 lies in the possibility to emphasize and enhance energies wandering around you. Take that wave of that energy and let it guide you. What does 444 mean spiritually? Spiritualism interferes with every part of our life. It drives our soul and helps us be better people. There's more than one answer to the question of what does 444 mean spiritually. If you're connected with this number, you're on a way to reach spiritual enlightenment. If you see the number 444, you're on a way to enter a new chapter in your life. You'll see your life from a different perspective and get new ideas on how to handle your life's issues. Your creativity is awakening and you will boost your energy. Angel number 444 encourages you to chase your dreams. If you see it, you should be happy. It's a sign that you're on the right path and your intentions are rightful. You just need to be persistent and you'll reach your goals. Angel number 444 is also a signal that you need to double your efforts. You're going the right way in your life, but you need to work harder to reach your full potential. Angel number 444 is there to help you and show you the way. Just be courageous and never give up on your dreams. Reasons you keep seeing 444. Number 4 is associated with success and wealth. One of the reasons you keep seeing 444 angel number is that you may experience a financial gain in the future. It may be a promotion at work, a lottery win, or a gift from your relative. Seeing number 444 is a sign that the number 4 significations are tripled, and this number carries unique, powerful energy. You need to prepare yourself for a huge success. However, bigger success requires bigger efforts. You need to be prepared for it. You need to work hard, but your actions will be rewarded, and you'll reach great fortune. You need to be patient and wait calmly for your moment to shine. The perfect moment will come, and you'll feel a spiritual awakening and inner rising. Whatever happens, don't lose your hope. Your guardian angels will help you to reach your inner peace and happiness. 𝐴𝐴 angel number in love. When it comes to matters of the heart, we all are curious and wondering what we can expect in this important life field. We all know that groundedness and stability are two fundaments of a healthy relationship, and the good thing is that the 𝐴𝐴 angel number in love represents that. In case you're encountering number 444 and you already have a partner, maybe the time comes to revise your relationship. Try to determine if you have a healthy and stable relationship or you need to work a little bit more to achieve that. Try to ask yourself questions about security, trust, and feelings when it comes to your relationship. If currently you don't have a partner and you're looking for it, have in mind what you really expect from your future partner. Number 444 is there to remind you. Listen to your gut when you meet someone, but don't forget that every true relationship is based on mutual trust, caring, respect, and love. You don't deserve anything less than that. Number 444 meaning in the Bible. Number 444 is deeply connected with the Bible. Number 4 has a special place in this holy book. It's a symbol of 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Also, God has created heavenly bodies on the 4th day of creation. During the time, we've learned to distinguish day from night, annual seasons, sun and moon, stars, and all heavenly bodies. There are 4 holy Gospels in the Bible: Gospel by John, Gospel by Matthew, Gospel by Matthew, Gospel by Mark, and Gospel by Luke. 𝐴𝐴 meaning law of attraction. Don't forget that the law of attraction actually means that you attract what you think about, and your thoughts determine your experience. It's a law of the universe that applies to everybody equally. The power of your thoughts affects the outer world in ways that go beyond the physical realm. Being aware of this spiritual law, you have a great advantage over other people. As we already know, the energy of angel number 444 is stable and strong. Seeing it usually means that everything will be okay and there is no need for worrying. Divine forces are letting you know that you can stop with negative thoughts and just relax with things just the way they are. Isn't it angel number 444 really something? It has a deep bond with so many important things like health, determination, success, and inner wisdom. I hope now you better understand angel number 444 meaning. In case you still have questions, feel free to write to us. We'll gladly find an answer for you. We're also open to hearing about your experience and we'll be happy to hear from you. I hope you enjoy this video. Visit aboutspiritual.com website for more similar content. Let me know in the comments which topic you want me to cover in the next video. Earn some karma points by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to check more videos on this channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.